66 deportees home in time for Easter. 66 Jamaicans were deported to the island from the United States on Thursday. The 59 men and 7 women ranging in age from 23 to 75 arrived at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston via a charter flight at 10:40 a.m.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The returned residents who were booked in the US for violations ranging from assault to murder were then taken to the Jamaica Constabulary Force Mobile Reserve, where they were processed and released. Ralston Blake, 75, said he was returning to Jamaica for the first time in 50 years. He said he was charged for aggravated assault in Atlanta, Georgia, before he was deported to the island. The elderly man, who was not received by anyone outside the facility after his release, said his immediate family members are still living in the US. He chartered a taxi to Trelawny to meet up with other relatives. "I know where I'm going," he said before his departure. Others were warmly received by family members, including one man who was met at the entrance of the mobile reserve facility by his mother, sister, and other relatives. "I am glad to see him regardless of the circumstances," said the mother, who refused to give her or her son's name. A woman who spoke with a deep American accent and appeared to be in her early 20s said that she left Jamaica as an infant and had not been back to the island prior to her arrival on Thursday. The young adult, who faced assault charges in the US, waited for hours outside the gates of the mobile reserve after being released and appeared clueless about the latest chapter in her life. "I don't know where I am going. All I was told was that someone from St. Catherine is going to pick me up," said the woman, who was clad in a grey tracksuit and only had in her possession a white plastic bag. Meanwhile, another woman wept while lying on the sidewalk outside the mobile reserve facility. She was accompanied by 2 men. Families, relatives, and returnees are invited to call the National Organization of Deported Migrants at mobile telephone number 356-1126 with queries on how to access support and social services. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.